MortgageCalculator.org loan comparison tool, full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to MortgageCalculator.org and relevant resources are in the description. Let's go over its features, who it's for, and whether it's the right tool for your needs. MortgageCalculator.org is a free, highly detailed loan comparison tool designed to help users estimate mortgage payments, compare different loan options, and analyze long-term costs. It supports a variety of loan types, including fixed-rate and adjustable-rate mortgages, FHA and VA loans, refinancing scenarios, and even interest-only loans. Users can input loan amounts, interest rates, term lengths, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and more to get a comprehensive breakdown of monthly payments and total interest costs. The tool also provides amortization schedules and interactive charts, allowing users to visualize how payments change over time. This platform is ideal for home buyers, homeowners considering refinancing, and real estate investors who need precise mortgage cost estimates before making financial decisions. It's particularly useful for those who want a no-commitment way to analyze loan options without affecting their credit score, as it does not require any personal information or credit checks. Additionally, MortgageCalculator.org includes extra financial tools such as affordability calculators, rent versus buy comparisons, and early payoff estimations, making it a well-rounded resource for mortgage planning. The biggest strengths of MortgageCalculator.org include its ease of use, extensive customization options, and the fact that it's completely free. The ability to factor in property taxes, insurance, and extra payments gives users a realistic estimate of their actual mortgage costs. However, there are some downsides. Unlike lender marketplaces, this tool does not connect users to actual loan offers or pre-qualification options. While it provides valuable insights, users will still need to research lenders separately to secure a mortgage. Additionally, the interface, while functional, may feel slightly outdated compared to more modern fintech platforms. Overall, MortgageCalculator.org is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable, in-depth mortgage calculation tool. If you need a free and flexible way to compare mortgage options before applying, this tool is a great resource. Check out the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching.